Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sujala. In this session we learn the pointer to object in C++. So yes, here I share my laptop screen and fix the position so you can watch better where my video lecture. And here turbo C++ is there. I selected and now some process, and now yes is open. Alt F file menu and taking new file. And here our goal, write a uh, program to uh, print product detail using pointer to object. Yes. So that is our concept I cover. So product detail we have to take. Yes, and first our that is a header file, or that is iostream.h. Yes, and then conio.h. Yes, and then class, we can say that product, and semicolon. Yes, and that is class declaration. Yes, here our product id, or we can say that code, or we can say funny, let us code we have to give, no problem. Id we have to provide also. So yes, that code, or we can say that quantity, so that is always in integer, and that also possibility, some that possibility is a float, but integer is more use. Okay, and now that float, yes, first we can character, yes, 1D array. So character name of product, so 20 size, and then we can take the float or amount, yes, so amt, yes, amt, perfect. So yes, there are four member is there, and price is remaining. So let us fifth element price. Yes, so that fifth element, and now we can use the public, and then we can take the void and then get data, and then yes, that only inside the class there is no any problem because that only scanning is there. So here we can enter the product code or id, we can say that cd scan, and then code is there, we can view the code, and then copy this statement, paste, and paste 4, because there are here only one counting amount field is there. So here a product name, yes, first we can scan the name of product, and then can use the directly get as, not any. Yes, so name 1D array is there, and here we can include the get test for header file stdio standard input output dot h. Yes, otherwise that take prototype error, and then we can take the uh, price of product. So price is there, yes, and that float is there. So price, and then quantity, yes, quantity. So here qty, yes, and now is complete, I think. So many, four, one message and one scanning, so that is four statement, four member, and now we can just show the display only, and here see out, yes, so print, but we have to object, yes, so here we can just only print. Okay, so yes, I first give the heading. Okay, so code, and then print code variable means code member, and then we can use the and alias next manipulator, and then name. Okay, and then print the name, yes, directly, no any problem. And then we can take and then heading, and that is a price of product, and then print that price variable, yes, and then handle First we can print only one product detail using the pointer to object. Yes, and then we can also take the array of object and pointer also. So yes, that quantity. Yes, now it's complete, and then qty only one, and then l again, and then our yes, first output operator and amount, yes, full, and then amt, that variable. Okay, so now complete, but we have to find the amount. So I directly amount equal to uh, quantity qty multiply price. So yes, now complete. So all class perfectly, and now here our main, because all member is inside the class, so only get data and show is there. And here I take simple example for pointer to object. So here our class product and p. So here we can define the p and product for p and asterisk pointer type of. So here we can assign any like temp and s pointer to object. Yes, so p, first I clear the screen. Yes, clr and here we can assign p equal to ampersand. That is a, we can say that that is our concept, and that is a pointer to object. Yes, so that is a simple pointer to object. And now we generally scan our here dot. Yes, so you have to know very well. So get that I just call simple web first, and then temp tm and then show. Yes, so we can first without here I just comment line. So first I give not that type pointer to object, simple our run perfectly, and then we can assign to pointer to object. Yes, yes, now all are okay, and save. Yes, that file. So here we can say that pointer and object, pointer to object and dot cpp. So 7 character pointer to object. Okay, save, compile. Yes, there is a no error, and exe file is generated. So let us run this file. So code 101 and product name pen and price 25 because that is float, and quantity we can say that 12. So amount is fine. Okay. So yes, amount is a we have to find, and there are 6 after decimal points. So we can also restrict the point, and that is a other manipulator we have to use here before the amount print. So here we can also use, or yeah, here set precision and provide the two. So I save and compile that prototype error is there. Yes. So set precision should have a prototype. Prototype means that header file is required. So the definition is not found. So that is a prototype error. So here IOMAN IP input output manipulators. That is a manipulator. So now yes, ION ION MN IP, yes, IP, not yes. So here P is there. So now is complete, no any error. Yes, all are gone. And let us compile again. So yes, product name pencil, any name of product, and at 5.95 float value I give, and let us any like 8 or any. So yes, that print only one decimal. So that is a rounding. Okay. So that perfectly print. Now we can take pointer to object. Now our concept is start. So here we can simple object using the dot operator. Yes, that is a operator dot. And now pointer to object. So now we can use the arrow operator. Yes. So here I arrow operator use. So that is a just only difference, pointer to object. Okay. So compile. There is no, yes, what yes, P have to declare. Yes, here I remove. So here I give the asterisk P, that is a pointer to object. Yes, so now is no any error. Yes, so now let us check again. So that is same work, no any different. Let us, and then book I give product and 25.95. Yes, that price, and quantity 10. Simple. So that amount. Okay. So yes, that perfect. So that is a pointer to object, very simple. Here we can define. So in normal object we can use the dot, but here you can use arrow operator. So that is a pointer to object. Now we can take the array of object. So pointer, and we can define the, like we can give the size of pointer. Here we can take the size. So yes, what to do? So here we can first see out. Yes, so for printf you can also use printf, but here see out and cn. Enter uh, product product class size of, okay. So we can scan one variable and integer n I take, and here c in. Okay. So that is a now n, n variable scan, and here I define that pointer to object. So yes, that now I think not required to that simple object. Okay. Let us check. So that is a pointer to object, and now how it's so our product. Yes, so here I define directly equal, that means pointer we have to define, and that time also we can provide the memory allocation. So yes, I first two syntax means p equal to new, and yes, that product. Yes, so that is a our data type, we can say that, like, yes, and then we can provide the memory allocation simple. Okay. So yes, first I give the simple uh, product. So that is also a possibility. And same, yes, now yes, let us check. So, and also we can release the memory. New is the allocation of memory, and delete operator delete the memory. So here we can also use the delete and p. Yes, so let us check. Compile, yes, there is no any error. So yes, but clear screen, yes, required. So product size, yes, before I scan the product size, but here not the area of object. So that variable I think not using anywhere. Yes, now is perfect. So yes, again that same word, no any error. So here pointer to object. So price of pen, yes, any price and quantity. Okay. So that perfectly. Now yes, here I yes, and all are scanning. So here I take after this clear screen. Yes, now okay. So here just first one, and now I take the enter product size, and here, and also you can combine these two both syntax here. Yes, like here look like there is no any error. So I first give the comment line of this all, not scan first, and after we have to take the array of object. So pointer to object type. Yes, so let us check. I give one like 10 as it is, and price, yes, so big price, and then quantity. Okay, so that is perfectly, and now we can just use here array of object, means object is here we can provide the subscript. So here and pass, yes, and here you can and pass. So yes, now I is there, I we have to take the index, and here we can take the for loop. Yes, so I equal to 0, and then I less than n, and I plus plus. So here we can scan. Yes, only scan, only one is there. So first we can scan all, and then print also. So yes, I copy and paste to here. Okay, and show. But now all message we have to not give here like product all are not that is only one. Now that we have to take the choice how many of that, and here now is a array is there. So here we can provide the subscript. Okay, so yes, first let us check any error is there. No, any not error. So let us that subscript. Yes, that error. No. Okay, that release the memory. Okay. So now what to do? So here we can not provide just only printing. So I give this heading all remove only print, yes, and not handle. So yes, I remove this handle and that all are okay. So here in between we can use the set w set width, okay, and here also I remove this price or heading. So how we can provide the our heading? Yes, that question. So set w and here I provide the 8 because name is there, and here set w 5 again, and that and L all are remove heading quantity all are okay, and then here I also remove all are that heading all and L, yes, and in between set w also and 5, yes, now 5, yes, all are right. So we can remove our heading. So why we can give our heading? So here before the show here in main not give in function. Here we can say that first code and then name of and then we can say that I think price, yes, first price and then quantity and amount. Okay, okay, and yes, so here semicolon is there. Okay, and only one time heading is displayed. Okay, so let us check and that we can control to ourselves. Yes, one what set, yes, where okay w is remaining set not only set w. So that is a manipulator set with now complete, and that is a array object of array, that is a pointer type, pointer to object type, so not normal. So here we can pass the n, that like our we can say that I just show you. So like integer x asterisk pointer type, and we can provide the memory location and then integer and define the size, okay, n, and that type of that is a array. So here I pass n. So that is a user defined data type. So this statement converting this statement, that is user defined. So inbuilt data type, how many statement possible, that is a main apps or try to aim of object oriented. That statement also possible in object oriented programming. So that is the same thing. So here is an integer inbuilt data type. So here is a user defined data type. So I just remove just for your reference. And now let us compile. Yes, no error. And we can take the product size. How many size? So I give the initially 2. Okay. So 101 and then pan, yes, and then price pan. Okay. So any price and quantity like 10. And again then second, yes, 102, then pencil, yes, and then we can say that 25 point any pencil is price is high, so we can give small, and then quantity, yes, I only 5, yes, but slash n is required, all are heading, and that not perfectly print. In first try we cannot directly get the perfect idea. So now let us check. So yes, here handle is one is required. Yes, here is a handle is required one time, and we can, yes, what is problem to our output? So yes, amount, yes, all are now perfect handle is there. So yes, let us check. I give some only first we can give one. Yes, let us check that perfectly print and then give the two. Okay, so yes, okay, now required to slash n is there, okay, and amount and all are print in concatenation. So yes, okay, so here we can provide the slash n, yes. So heading, yes, where is there, heading is there. So value, yes, value print by this, so heading is before and value print by this. So here is also require the and Yes, now is perfectly. Let us check. So one I only first you perfectly print, and we can take some different pen. Yes, and then 5 point pen. Yes, any price and 10. Yes, now perfectly. But some yes quantity we have to provide some, and that amount shifting, so we can more pace. So quantities amount is between, so gap. Okay, so yes, I adjust so we can check. Yes, span some, so I give 7, so that 2. And yes, now quantity and amount. Yes, price, where is a price? Yes, here is also 2 more. And now here amount, and that we can give some more size. So here I give the 15 directly. Okay, so let us check. Yes, all are perfectly. Now let us check. So product 1 and pen again, 20. What is, okay, code? Okay, sorry. So no, pen. Yes, I disturb, because that is a now disturb. Yes, because I give the product code to name. So here is size, and now code is there, and now perfectly. Okay, so 10. Yes, no. Yes, that more. Yes, name and price, some gap is there. And yes, quantity. Yes, that 6-digit price I give the. Okay, so price we have to also precision, and amount is some more gap is there, because there are 6-digit in price. So that is taking all to. Okay, so we can use the set precision before price. So here I just cut. So all are both we can take. That I cut. Yes, means shift delete, and here remove to press. Yes, and before the price. Yes, here shift insert. Okay, and here is also provide. Okay, now we can take some small here 10. Now let us check last. So then and then way perfectly print, so we can get the idea. So price, yes, so 95 price is there, and quantity 10. Okay, so now that perfectly some. Okay, no problem. Amount I just shift that heading, not disturb to our value now. Okay, so heading is there, and here we can provide some gap. Yes, now it's perfectly. Okay, now we can take more data. So let us check. I give the size is controlled over. So now I give the 2. So 101, and pen, yes, again, and the pen price is 25.95 and 10. First product complete, then second, then book. Okay, and then price 25 point, okay, more price 35.95 and 10, same. Yes, so in between one blank means handle. So you can also print some table format, or this, but not perfectly printed. Yes, okay. So here only second data is print, book. Okay, one our record is not print, because why? So here we can provide the subscript. Yes, here is a that arrow is there. So now here only, not only here we can. So here what to do? So here is a now array, and here we can take the loop. So that is a, yes, that type of. And yes, let us check, because that is a now array. Yes, so yes, so let us check any error. No. Yes, so that is a now pointer, or is a object type. So, and also we can slash n is every time. So here is a slash n is first. So we cannot give the, because heading after here is heading, so we can provide the slash n. So again slash n. So here I and L remove. So there are in between not require space. Only one record is display every time. So I give now 2, and let us check. So product name pen again, and then price is some uh, small. So 15.95 and 10. Yes, and then code 102, and then book, and then 35.95 and 10 same. Yes, now perfectly print. So yes, that is a perfect all are. Okay. So yes, this session we learn the very simple, but our formatting we can take some time. So that is a pointer to object, and now we can array one-dimensional array of array of object, and that is a pointer type. So we can use the new and delete operator. Okay, so object. So yes, pointer to object and array of object we can also take to pointer type. Okay, so now I close this session. Very simple definition for you, product detail, so we can find, and also you can print the table format. Yes, but I not waste our time of this session. I just give the idea, just only heading. We can set like this side sign minus. Okay, and then you can also provide the slash and all are, but otherwise they're taking the. So yes, here but here is not required that same, but yes, here after same line is there, so here we can take new line and same copy this line and provide to here, and in between also you can take we can say that symbol use. So look which symbol, that type of symbol. Yes, so that is look like table format. Yes, and before also you can take this symbol. Okay, yes, now let us run. So, and also in between value you can provide this symbol, but now I not use because in my one table formatting I so many times that testing, because that is a testing and see your output and then set, that is then and then possible. So many long time is required, but we cannot waste time this session, so only just give the idea. You can after apply to your own logic, means testing and apply to your logic. It's simple. Yes, look like after in between and value you can also provide the vertical line and in between line, and last you have two line. Okay, so last we have to take the line here, like what I just copy this line. Yes, that's simple. So I copy and paste after our show. Yes, here, so that also print the line. Yes, so, and that also we can take this symbol, and in between also you can take the symbol. Yes, so in between I not give, but here I give line. So yes, again two only, you can take 3, 4, 5. There is no limitation because that is a pointer type of object, so you can provide any number of time. It's the size of n. So yes, here is a book and 103, and we can take some different so what is hmm, computer, but that string is long. So yes, price 25. So that is big price. So that all are disturbed. So I give small size of price. Okay, 5,000. Yes, let us all computer is there. Quantity 2 is there. Yes, so yes, that float and slash n is required. Yes, otherwise are perfect. So here where here is. Okay, so now I not run because that perfectly all are there. So yes, write this program to your not pointer to object type and array of pointer type, means object is a pointer type. So new and delete we have to use memory management operator. Yes, here. So, yes, I complete this session. So write this program. Yes, that is our header file definition, and that our all class inside all member I design, and you can also take the outside of also. Yes, no, there is no problem. So quantity, code, quantity, price, amount, and name of product. Okay, so integer, character, and float, all data type we have to use, and here our main. Yes, so that complete. Close this file. Yes, quit. So yes, subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video. Hare Krishna.